Welcome back to the Vendor Branding YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how we set up screen print art on our 12-color automatic screen print press. Now that we've shown you how screens are made, it's time to get this art set up. Our first step is to tape our screens. This will prevent ink from getting on our garment from the uncoated edges of the screen. We then check for pinholes, or tiny spots where the emulsion has been washed out. We use a blockout pen that applies a tiny portion of emulsion to the screen to prevent ink from passing through these holes. Now we can begin to set up our art, starting with the underlay. The underlay serves as a base coat of ink on darker garments. We flash or dry our underlay to begin our test print. All our other screens can now be added to the press. Each screen is registered using crop marks at the top and bottom of the image. We also focus on key areas of the artwork to better align our screen. After every screen has been properly registered, we can begin adding ink and continue our test print. Each color is then checked for registration. If we need to make further adjustments, we can begin micro-registering our screens. By turning these knobs at the end of the print head, our screens can be shifted left, right, forward, and backwards. See those small dots? Those are halftones. With halftones, we have to be very careful with our pressure. Too much and they blow out and look clumpy. Too little and they have patches. Nice even pressure will allow these colors to blend seamlessly. Would you look at that detail? Just look at it.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
From here we dial in a few settings and the press pretty much takes it from there. All we have to do is load and unload shirts and this order is going to be knocked out. And that's it. That's how we set up our screen print art on our 12 color automatic press. Thanks for watching, and for more, find us on social, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to place an order with Bender Apparel, give us a call at 888-222-9542. See you next video. Peace.